In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a deal in HubSpot, a crucial step for anyone looking to streamline their sales and business processes. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a refresher, I'm here to guide you through it in just 5 minutes. Let's start by heading over to the HubSpot homepage. You'll want to open your web browser and navigate to hubspot.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login option, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. It's important to have your username and password handy to ensure a smooth login process. After logging in, you'll land on your HubSpot home, which acts as your dashboard, offering a comprehensive view of all your activities. Next, shift your attention to the navigation menu on the left-hand side. Here you'll want to click on the CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management. This is a powerful feature within HubSpot that allows you to manage all your contacts, companies, and importantly, deals. Once you are inside the CRM section, look for the deals option. This step is crucial as it takes you to the dedicated deals area where you can manage existing deals or create new ones. Click on deals and you'll be directed to a page that displays all the deals your team is working on. It's like a virtual workspace where your sales team's activities and performances are visible. Now, to initiate a new deal, focus on the top right area of the deals page. You will see a button labeled Create Deal. Clicking this button will open a form where you can input all the necessary details for your new deal. This form is the heart of your deal making process. It includes fields like the deal name, the associated contact or company, the amount, the pipeline stage, and a closing date. It's essential to fill in these fields as accurately as possible to ensure your deal is set up correctly. Once you've entered all the relevant information, the final step is to click the Create button at the bottom of the form, and just like that you've successfully set up a deal in HubSpot. Remember, consistent practice makes this process effortless, so don't hesitate to repeat it as often as needed until you're comfortable. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your deals, helping your business track and close potential sales in a seamless manner. Thank you for watching and happy deal making in HubSpot.